Hi friends, welcome to Gallant IAS. Today, let's discuss the core points of Shreya scheme and a model question which is based on UPSC pattern. So what is Shreya scheme? The expansion of Shreya scheme is scheme for higher education youth in apprenticeship and training. That is the aim of the scheme. That is, the aim of the scheme is to enhance the employability of Indian youth by providing on-job work exposure. That is, apprenticeship training is provided to youth so that it could enhance their employment opportunities by acquiring more skills. That is the purpose of Shreya scheme. That is, the scheme for higher education youth in apprenticeship and training. And when they are undergoing training, stipend, monthly stipend is provided to them through a concept called earn while you learn. That is, when they are learning or acquiring skills through this on-job work exposure, they are also being provided with stipend, right? That's the main feature of Shreya scheme. And the most important beneficiaries are students in degree courses, primarily non-technical background students, right? And this comes under the Ministry of Human Resources and Development. And one more thing to be noted, since the initiatives of three ministries are coordinated under the scheme, the other coordinating ministries are Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship and Ministry of Labour and Employment. I repeat, the purpose of Shreya scheme is to enhance the employability of Indian youth by providing them with on-job work exposure, and while they are undergoing training, stipend is also provided to them. Beneficiaries are students in degree courses and primarily non-technical background students under the Ministry Human Resources and Development, and the coordinating ministries are Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship and Ministry of Labour and Employment. And regarding mains, you can quote this scheme regarding social empowerment. Say example, if a question is asked regarding the unemployment of the youth, right? When unemployment of the youth is asked, you can quote this example. By implementing the scheme in an effective manner, the employability of the youth could be enhanced by providing them with skills. Likewise, you can mention the Shreya scheme. And again, issues related to human resources or inclusive growth in GS3. Inclusive growth in the sense, an economic growth involving all the sections of the population, right? So, unemployed, their welfare also taken under this Shreya scheme. So, you have to link these schemes to the our static topics like inclusive growth, and again skill and employment, direct question, and again internal security. Say example, okay, one of the most important reasons for left-wing ideologies or extremism is lack of employment opportunities or poor livelihood. That's the most one of the most striking reasons for the spread of extremism, right? So when these kind of schemes are implemented in an effective manner, many unemployed youth could get job opportunities and their livelihood would be enhanced, so that their tendency to go towards extremist ideologies could be prevented, and so that we could boost our national security. In that manner, you could quote this Shreya scheme, right? So this is the manner you have to apply a scheme into the static topics, right? There is a topic in internal security called the development and spread of extremism, like that topic is there in GS3. So in that areas, if a question is asked, you can quote this Shreya scheme. By implementing Shreya scheme, job opportunities are provided so that the shift towards ideologies, left-wing ideologies could be prevented. It could boost our national security. Like this, if you could quote, your answer will be a little more better, right? You could score more marks, right? And also you could score this in, you could quote this scheme in ethics and essay also, depending upon the nature of questions, right? And this is the manner you have to prepare a scheme or current affairs, right? By knowing a single knowledge, you could apply in various GS topics, in various GS papers, including essay also, right? And moving on to a model question. With reference to Shreya's program, consider the following statements, and we have to find out the correct one. Which of the above statements is or are correct? Okay. Regarding statement number 1, it aims at providing apprenticeship training to school dropouts. No, this is not to school dropouts, but to degree students, primarily non-technical background students. So are not to school dropouts. Here the beneficiaries are wrongly given. So statement 1 is wrong here. Regarding statement number 2, the scheme is coordinated by Ministry of Human Resource and Development, Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, and Ministry of Labor and Employment. Exactly, they are the coordinating ministry. So statement 2 is right here. And since we have to find the correct one, answer is option B. That is 2 only is our answer. And these are all the core points you must know regarding Shreyas scheme. And I hope you are clear with this. And if you feel this video useful, please share it to your friends and also subscribe our channel for more quality videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.